My mom is working in a pharmaceutical company. When I was still in school, ang sabi niya sa akin, para magkatrabaho ka kaagad, para makatulong ka kaagad sa pamilya. Just for me to land a job, again, no, na mabilis na trabaho. So, I took up BS Pharmacy. Ako si Jean, at ito ang aking kwentong classmate. I am the eldest and I have one sibling. So sabi niya sa akin, you have to strive hard. Kailangan mo mag-aral. Kailangan mo matapos kasi wala akong pang-aaral talaga sa'yo. Sapat lang talaga, anak, ang sweldo ko for you, for both of you. I'm really blessed, no, na pagbigyan, na pagbuksan ng Adamson na to. Yung eagerness din ni Mama na makapasok ako sa university. Well, this is a top university. And kilala talaga siya lalo na sa engineering and pharmacy. Ang sabi pa ng mama ko noon, walang math masyado yung yung course mo. Wala daw math. Pero mula nung pumasok ako ng first year hanggang graduate ako, puro calculator ang dala-dala ko. May scientific pa. Yung nakakatawa doon is very studious yung mga estudyante. So, mahahawa ka Hindi pwedeng yung parang tamad-tamad ka kasi everyone is really studying. Everyone is really serious about their study. Well, the Center for Drug Discovery and Development, this is new sa Adamson University. I think with the recent articles that I've read, very focused ang Adamson University College of Pharmacy for the research. And I heard a lot of students, na exchange students from, nag-aaral sa, I think, Malaysia. Parang very, very active, sa ibang bansa. So now they have Doctor of Pharmacy, Masters meron na pero the Doctor of Pharmacy is something new. And I think with all the requirements for the Doctor of Pharmacy and of course the financials, feeling ko mas mura pa rin dito sa Adamson. Mas kaya ng budget. So if students really wanted to, be a Doctor of Pharmacy, hone their skills and talents, Adamson University is the go-to. So with South Star Drug under Gokong Wei Brothers Foundation, so may mga estudyante kami na second year, third year, fourth year College of BS Pharmacy, Adamson University. So tinutulungan namin sila ng GBF of course na makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Nakakatuwa lang na of course ako yung heart ko also for scholarship because I've been there na wala akong pang-aral pero ngayon yung company na pinagtatrabahuan ko is also having that kind of scholarship foundation na tumutulong din sa iba. It's very heartwarming din for me. I think it's the charity, Adamson University with the Vincentian culture na makatulong sa iba. And it's nice to know that the school, is also focused sa mga street dwellers kasi wala nag-aalaga sa kanila Ibig sabihin nun, imagine yung pantawid gutom nila ng isang araw, tayo yung magbibigay. So it's something na may kurot sa puso. Na-inculcate mo sa students na kailangan mong tumulong. Isa ako sa mga alumni ng officer ng Adamson University. I am the treasurer. Meron kaming dinalakad na name, bagong name, the Society of Vincentian Pharmacists of Adamson University with the new future pharmacists of the Philippines. Ang daming pwedeng gawin. Yes, konti lang yung population namin, pero we can make a difference Adamson University is medyo low-key, yung kindness na culture na naibibigay. It's more on the kindness, na nai-impart mo sa iba. Ang feeling ko, when I was called a classmate, sense of belongingness, yung kapamilya, yung may tahanan ka, may home ka, na outside of your work, meron kang pamilya na nandito lang, sa university na to. Like, the College of Pharmacy. Hanggang ngayon, nararamdaman ko yung family. Well, I'm still single now, wala akong pamilya. My mom just passed away 2 years ago with cancer. So, iba yung, naiyak tuloy ako, yung may pamilya ka. I am Janet Herona and I am a proud Adamson classmate. Classmate, dito ka na sa ADU.